everybody. We are super pleased to be here with you all tonight and to have the opportunity to tell you a bit about our company. My name is April Dominguez.
And I'm Nikki Dominguez.
And we're here to talk to you about the leading industry for women and women-owned businesses, which is shockingly underrepresented when in fact it's more than a $1.5 billion opportunity. There is a massive and recession-proof market that's being ignored simply because people are viewing your barber or your hairstylist as a fallback career. Tradies is a career marketplace transforming the $60 billion beauty industry.
So I have been in the beauty industry for over a decade, and I have personally experienced the challenges of trying to find a job, education, and professional resources in this industry. Beauty professionals are feeling left out because they don't have these online resources. So here, raise your hand if you've ever used LinkedIn to reference somebody's background or resume. Go ahead, raise them up high, right? Well, the beauty industry doesn't have that. They don't fit into these online communities. They're feeling isolated, disconnected, and don't have anywhere to go. Meanwhile, product brands, they're struggling to connect with their core audience, and salon owners are incredibly stressed out. They're posting jobs constantly. They're posting on Indeed, Craigslist, and they're posting on Instagram. They can't find enough stylists because they don't have proper recruiting tools. So anybody know Bird's Barbershop in here? Yeah? They're one of our customers, and they have shared with us that they're actually losing over $660,000 each year because they can't source candidates fast enough. And that is just one example.
Meanwhile, the global beauty industry is expected to climb to $190 billion by 2023. The US makes up over half of that market. It's growing at 14% compared to the national job average of 11%, and it's a proven recession-proof industry. When the economy goes, your hair still grows. It's true. But with all this massive growth, salon owners are still losing tons of money, and beauty professionals are left out of digital communities.
So Tradies is the go-to career resource for the beauty industry. For the individual, we are a community to build a digital portfolio, to post questions, and apply for jobs. For the salon owner, we are a tool to post jobs, find candidates, and find answers.
Our business model is pretty simple. We're entering the market by charging salon owners an annual subscription to post unlimited jobs for an entire year. We're working to get 35% of the beauty market on our platform in 5 years, which will return $390 million in revenue. Now, we know the beauty jobs market is a massive market in itself, but what we also know is that there's even bigger opportunities in product, in-app advertising, and beauty education.
So we went live in New York City, and we were able to get 25% of the cosmetologist population on our platform in 3 months. 40% of our users are building out full digital resumes, and it is only costing us $3 to bring them on. So what we learned from our beta is that salon owners, they were only one part of our platform, and we didn't have a place for beauty professionals to connect and collaborate. So what we're doing right now is we are actually building out our question and answer portion of our platform.
And we're attracting globally recognized beauty partnerships. We have 2 unique customer acquisition strategies. The first is by integrating our platform into beauty school curriculum. And now, even though the beauty community is overlooked in technology and support, it's one of the leading industries found on social media. Our second customer acquisition strategy is by leveraging leading beauty influencers that have millions of followers on Instagram. Tradies is working to become the marketplace leader for beauty, and we've identified 4 steps to get there. Step 1 is to prove that there's a need, which we did in New York City. Step 2 is to keep beauty professionals coming back, which we're doing with our Q&A function. Step 3 is then to hit a critical mass of users, and step 4 is to monetize.
So there are platforms, clearly, that exist out there, but none of them fit for beauty. So what we are doing is that, well, LinkedIn, as I mentioned before, it's not built for a beauty professional. It's not visual. It's really built for you guys to list your corporate achievements. And Craigslist is built for you to find a coffee table, not a job. And so what Tradies is doing is that we are slicing off key ingredients from top platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Stack Overflow to create the industry-specific solution for the beauty industry. So there couldn't be a better team to bring this to market. I have been experiencing these challenges for the last 10 years in my career. I built one school licensed by the state of Colorado and 2 academies in New York City.
I implemented operation, investor, and technology strategies for a firm that raised over $130 million during my time there. These are the beauty professionals that are currently on our platform. These are the barbers, makeup artists, and hairstylists on them today. And what we want you to walk out of here tonight understanding is that this is not just about jobs. We're giving a leading industry a platform to succeed. Thank you. Do you have any questions?